before I start my truck, I'm going to check that I am in neutral. Now that sheet's going to tell you about checking a clutch. You ain't got one, so I'm going to check that I am in neutral. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start my engine. Okay, since I started my engine, I'm going to check my 3 engine instruments. I'm going to check my oil pressure. It should come up the normal range, normally 40 to 60, this one's 75. So it should come up. Check my water temperature. It should go to normal as my engine warms up. Going to check my voltmeter. Should be charging anywhere from 12 to 14.5.
Do we need to say it should be to normal as the engine warms up, or do we need to say
normal as the engine warms? You know, because it's going to be different because of ambient temperature. You know, this thing here sitting idling ain't going to hit 180 for an hour. So, okay. Voltmeter should be charging 12 to 14 volts, 14.5, but should be charging. Okay. If I can get everything in order, I'm going to go left to right across the dash. I'm checking my mirrors. You check them outside that they're not cracked or broken, secured. I'm checking my mirrors, they're clean and properly adjusted. Coming across, checking my big old horn. Checking my air horn. Got a good one, man. Checking my air horn. Y'all ever want to do that when you're a kid? You can do that now. Check my air horn. It's good. Checking my city horn. It's working. Still coming left to right across. I'm checking my left turn signal. My right turn signal. Checking my 4-ways are operational. Checking my gears don't work that way. Nope. Checking my high beam indicator. My high beam indicator should be working. On yours, you got to have the headlights on to do it. So I'm checking my high beam indicator. I'm going to shut my lights back off. Going left to right again. Checking my steering wheel. Should not have more than 10 degrees or 2 inches on a 20-inch wheel. Just take it and shake it a little bit. Left to right going across. And let's see. Checking my wipers and my washers. I should have fluid in it. Wipers and washers should be working. Shutting them off. I'm also going to check my windshield. Should not have any cracks in it. Should not have any rock pecks bigger than the size of a quarter. Left to right, coming across. Going to check my heater and defroster. And defrost should be working. And heat should be working. And picture is a little different. Okay. Next, I'm going to do my parking brake test. I'm going to, thinking of ours, okay, I'm going to put it in drive, and my parking brake is pulled, should not move. Okay, I'm going to go to neutral. I don't think, will yours stay in gear? No, it won't, it's electronic. Normally we put ours in gear in a manual transmission to keep it from rolling. Let's see what this does. Okay, I'm going to release my parking brake. Not moving. I'm going to shut my engine off. I'm going to turn my key to the on position. I'm going to press and hold my brake for 1 minute, and I should not lose more than 3 psi. So there's your 2 air gauges, your primary and secondary. You will get an initial drop. Then it should go stable. And we will tell you, in order to save time, we will tell you 1 minute is up. Okay, 1 minute's up. Next, I'm going to do step 2. I'm going to fan my brakes. My low air warning device should come on by 60 psi. And you hit your brake pedal. One more. And my low air warning did come on by 60 psi. I'm going to continue fanning my brakes. Between 45 and 20, my parking brakes should pop out. We're rolling a little. There, you do have an air application gauge right there. Every time I hit it, it goes. That's the optional gauge we talked about.
It's dropping pressure.
Yep, because I'm also losing pressure here.
Okay.
And it did pop out. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start my engine. And while I'm waiting for my air pressure to build so I can go do the skills test, I'm going to do a little quick check. I did that, did this, did my 4 lights, did that, 3 gauges, did that, and I'm done with my pre-trip inspection.